What's up, fellas? Sunday night, train show's over, everything's all said and done, everyone's back home. I'm back home chilling here. Got to recap videos, giving shout outs to people because, you know, some people out there have some good stuff. I'm telling you what's hot and what was not. We all heard about the Broadway Limited big announcement. What did it turn out to be? Lame. It was a whack-ass centipede, and I'm not with that, you know what I'm saying? I don't think that was a big railroad, a big engine or anything that everybody was looking for. No, they made it sound like a great big announcement, like we were going to see ST70M Phase 2 model with sound. Yeah, it's great, but look what they gave us, centipede. Well, they didn't give me because I'm not buying the shit. But then there was some hot stuff out there. Your boy Greg out there in BLMA, got to give a shout out to him. He brought us some hot stuff right here, the modern day billboards. Those should be out in a couple weeks. Those are pretty hot. I have that here to show you, which most of you guys seen that yesterday, and I have other stuff over here I'd like to share with you. I'll start by showing you the modern day billboard, and then we'll go over to what I bought. All right. There we go. There it is again. Big shout out to him. This right here is $45. And it's well worth it. It's finely detailed, well built, just a good model, definitely a good deal. So that's straight. Then, as you guys all know, I had my open house. That shit was really good. It was nice. It was cool. A lot of people came. A lot of people liked what they saw, which is great. I'm pretty proud about one thing I got. I got a certificate of appreciation right here. Here you go. Anyway, this will be hung up. I think this is cool. I'm pretty excited by it and proud, you know. Had it open, this is what I get. So that's cool. One thing I got, it was hot. Really hot. I didn't buy this from the show, but you guys know I ordered this from Litchfield Station. I got to give a shout out to Litchfield Station, guys. I know everybody runs to Tony's Trains for that. For anything that's DCC, they go running out to Tony's Trains. But let me tell you, Litchfield Station is usually $2 and $3 less than Tony's Trains on everything. So I stick with them, and I'm going to give them a shout out. I got my new Duplex DT402 throttle here. It's not hooked up yet, but I can't wait to hook it up. There's the receiver right there. So those two together. And then, as you guys all know, we all do dumb stuff. We do. We buy stuff that we shouldn't have bought. And one thing that I bought, which I think was a big rip-off, and it was, come with me. I bought a River Point Ford F-250. Yeah, these are the new trucks. They're nice and everything, but come on. $16. Definitely not worth no $16, but I was a dummy and I paid for it. And then not only that, you get the little detailed, you know, the grill and ladders and stuff. $6 more. $24. Am I gonna give them a shout out? Heck no. But I had to get the newest stuff, so there you go. Then I'm going to give a shout out to Tony's Trains. They had a good deal over there. Boley cars and trucks over there. Check these out. $3 a piece. Good deal, huh? It's off the hook. He had a ton of them there, too. So that was off the hook. Another people I got to give a shout out to, Thoroughbred Railroad Models. They're cool. They're definitely a place to go to. I know I've showed everybody out there how I weather everywhere I do it. But I also realize that there's people out there, no matter how I show them, no matter what I show them, they're just not going to be able to weather, and they just won't get it right. You know what I'm saying? And there's people out there who just basically have to pay for it to get done. You know I do it for free and everything, but I'm not trying to do everybody's. So if you're really going to be real and try to buy weathered stuff, I recommend Thoroughbred Models. These boys out there, Lenny, Don, and Ed, cool guys right there. The website is it's thoroughbredrrmodels.com. They're good to go to. They also sell on eBay. The prices are really good. They custom weather for people, custom paint. They do airbrushing, so I don't do the airbrushing way, but I like to share with you a model that I brought home from them. All right? They hooked your boy up, so I got to give them a big shout out because this looks really good. This is a airbrushed model, and as you can see, this is not done with airbrush. This right here is, you know, done their own special way that they do them, similar to my way. The detail is just really good on this model, as you can see. They repatched it there, so it looks really good, and I definitely give these people a shout out. There's my boy Lenny out there. Give a big shout out to Lenny Ed. What up? They do really good stuff. So on the real, I'm not shouting them out because I'm their friends or whatever. They're just cool people, and not only are they cool, they offer really good stuff. So that's the people who get the shout out. I'm not working for them. I'm not working for anybody. I work for myself. If I get stuff for free, that's great, but no one's giving me anything for free. But anyway, it's your boy Al, and that's the recap of the show. That's what's hot and what's not. There's a lot of whack stuff out there, but there's a lot of other good stuff out there. If you have any other questions, I might be able to answer to let you know what I saw that I thought was, hot, or what was whack. Anyway, I'm out for the night, guys.